BBA Machine is a manufacturer located in China. A leading manufacturer of automatic screw fastening machine, soldering machine, glue dispenser machine, PCB separator machine with over 15 years experience. Our machines are CE certificated for easy operation with friendly, using, stable and quick speed, welcomed by overseas customers. We also support OEM, ODM service. Machines are widely used for manufacturing industries, such as electronics, LED lights, home appliance, auto parts, furniture, hardware, and so on. Best quality, best service, win-win cooperation is our pursuit. Looking ahead to the future, BBA Machine will continue to uphold its spirit of innovation, provide more efficient services to global customers, more intelligent automation solutions. Welcome to BBA Machine.